Yes, someone is stealing. They are coming.
Many people who sneak through the back door and get some documents signed by our officers, but those documents are not regular. For you to get a title within prisons, you have to have prisons land degazetted. That has not occurred. It did not occur. So if you are holding land pursuant to some documentation that is not preceded by degazettement of that land from prison's use, then you don't have a valid title.
My most concern ni wale third, fourth, sixth buyers, wale walinua hii shamba. So as a government, it is good they have agreed to visit here, so that means they are going to engage. But most concern ni wale wadogo wa mashamba madogo. Kuna wale wamenunua hii shamba mara ya 5, ya 6, ya 7. So I think the government is also going to listen to that. Sawa. So that we ensure that watu wasiumie. And I thank the president because he sent here the minister na wale ma PSS for